pumili ng rival card, ito ang inyong reading. Tignan natin kung ano ang inyong birthday gift. Galing sa langit. Okay? So, I'm sensing katarungan. So, maari nangyari dito, meron ka sigurong kaaway or pwedeng rival with regards sa work. Pwede rin sa magkakapatid. Okay? Basta, parang bang may alitan, may favoritism, and so, pwede rin sa negosyo. So, I'm sensing another. Okay. I'm also sensing playing the victim and I feel like someone wronged you. And clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. Okay. I feel like I need to cleanse, so just go ahead and cleanse. Minamalas ka siguro sa inyong buhay, but I really feel like you are divinely guided and protected at the same time. At napofocus ka sa ngayon sa inyong trabaho. And you're wondering if there is certain changes. Kasi I'm feeling na may nag-occur sa inyo, guys. Maybe you are aware because you observe things as well. I'm sensing you have to be careful with your purchases kasi I feel like it's draining you financially. Maybe because mag-birthday na kayo kaya regaluhan niyo yung sarili ninyo. But don't overdo it, guys, okay? So, anyway, this is your card. So far, as I told you before, you know, pinoprotektahan ka ng Panginoon from accidents, as you can see. Kasi I feel heavily in your reading na parang may nagka-curse or nagtatry na i-break ka with regards to health. We have this one. So, I feel like you'll learn as well with the open being here. So, maybe before you are an open book. Okay, and you need to learn na wag na kayo maging open book, lalong-lalo na may kagalit ka. I feel na yung rival natin na card is more unlikely someone is hating you or pwede na rin parang tingin niya sa'yo ay rival, parang pagalingan kayo. And I feel na kung sino man yun, madumi siyang maglaro. Okay? So, you know, you need to learn how to be introvert or maybe you learned it already. Okay, so next thing that we have, I feel na yung blessing ng Panginoon for you on your birthday is definitely protection from harm, as you can see. And iba sa inyo, if ever you're still single, you know, you will have a partner or a loving person in your life. So, yun nga, kasi matagal na kayong single siguro at marami na kayong napagdaanan. But despite of all these things, you know, magkakaroon ka rin ng tao na magmamahal sa'yo kasi napansin siguro ng Panginoon na madalas ka mag-isa, kaya bibigyan ka niya ng pagkakataon na magkaroon siguro ng jowa or pwede rin kaibigan. And we have this one. So, I told you, meron ng blockage, okay? If ever this is about, let's say, family na may inheritance, I'm sensing na meron siguro nagtatry na i-block ka to have this inheritance. And connected. So, ibig sabihin it's a family member. Honestly, when I hold this card, sumakit yung lalamunan ko. So, I'm sensing here na parang hindi na pag-uusapan si inheritance kasi may blockage, okay? Nagtatry siguro mag-control at nag-alala ka doon kasi you are aware na meron ka sigurong kapamilya, naghahaman, at alam mo itong tao na to, tatry niyang kontrolin yung magulang mo, or kung sino man yung magbibigay ng inheritance. Kasi with the gifted being here, I feel na meron talagang inheritance for you. But you're afraid na baka hindi mo yung ma-receive kasi may tao na hindi mabuti sa inyong pamilya. We have this one. I'm sensing na yung reading mo is more likely parang message ng Diyos sa'yo. Kasi as of the reading, parang konti pa lang nakita kong birthday gift dito. Okay? So, I'm sensing with the withdrawal being here. So, malungkot yung energy dito, guys. Kasi I feel na yung dapat mong gawin is magpakalayo or umiwas ka sa mga taong negative. Kasi I feel like your reading is more likely na meron nagagalit sa'yo, sa pamilya nyo, toxic din. So, yung regalo ng Diyos sa'yo is a time for withdrawal. As you can see. And another gift ng Panginoon sa'yo on your birthday is that you're divinely guided to do it. Okay? I feel na papakita sa'yo ng Panginoon na hindi ka nag-iisa. I feel na sa ngayon, focus ka lang sa work. Yun yung dapat mong gawin sa ngayon. Okay? And of course, pray over kay God na rin kasi ang daming nangyayari sa yung reading. So, anyway, as I told you before, yung regalo ng Panginoon sa'yo is definitely someone will help you. Okay, I feel like you are going to be attractive as well. Okay, I don't know why patay sense may asim pa. Ano ba yun? Anyway, I feel like, yeah, there will be a person that will help you. I feel like help you heal as well. Kasi marami kang ang pinagdaanan. Okay, at I really feel yung heaviness talaga ng emotion dito. As you can see. Kasi I feel na parang meron sigurong tao na pinagtutulungan ka. Tapos mag-isa ka lang at pinag-iinitan ka. At hindi ka talaga comfortable, feeling mo mag-isa ka lang. Kaya siguro nandito si alone. As you can see, alone. Kaya nakita ng Panginoon yan. At I feel na yun nga, bibigyan ka niya ng tao na tutulong sa'yo at magmamahal sa'yo. Kasi ito yung nangyayari, baka pinagtutulungan ka. As you can see. So, we have this one here. So far, wow, maganda to. Yung regalo ng Panginoon ay magkakaroon ka ng luck, as you can see. Kaya pala may guide tayo doon sa isa kasi you will be someone na maging undecisive. But yet with the hope being here, I feel na you're divinely guided on what to do with your money or what to do with your life. Kasi kung sakali man, may potential ka kasi na maligaw ng landa sa iniisip mo. And so payo ko lang, pray kay God for guidance na rin. So, we have this rival here. So, nalungkot ako sa inyong reading, guys. Kasi based sa reading, parang marami kang kagalit. At hindi lang yun, di okay sa pamilya mo kasi parang may gustong kumuha ng inyong inheritance. But yet, no, na meron talaga nakalaan sa inyo. Kung nilihim yan sa inyo na wala kang inheritance, and so, to be honest, there is. Okay? So, yan yung theme ng inyong reading. Obviously, it's kinda like about your haters, which is sad. But despite of all those things, you know, you will have a lot of blessings from God. Right? Yung birthday gift mo is protection, guidance, at saka, you know, I feel the swerte with regards sa career. So, we have the Ghost. In either way, we have the Save in either way as well. So, I feel like you're being called on to withdraw from these toxic people with the Ghost being here. Parang iligtas mo yung sarili mo by, you know, not dealing much with the wrong person. So, we have this one in either way. We also got the try in reverse. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, guys, huwag mong itry na, you know, maging okay yung connection mo with the wrong people. Kasi, I feel that you are definitely opposite from those people. And don't expect na, magkakasundo kayo. Kasi, first of all, that person is I feel like arrogant energy. Very different from yours. So, mangyari lang yan is magka-clash kayo kung pagpilitan mo yung sarili mo sa taong yun. So, wag sanang ganon. Okay? So, you have the more in reverse. We have this one busy. So, you will be busy with your work. Care is in easier way. Pero nakakalungkot talaga, guys. Okay? Kasi, siguro nagkaroon ka ng mga tao na plastic. Kaya secure natin is na kayo in easier way. Kahit yung 2 of cups natin. Okay? Maraming nag-hate. Kaya ka pinagpo-focus ang Panginoon sa pag-work. Pero di ka masyado mag-focus sa inyong mga haters. Kasi to be honest with you, overwhelming yung energy. Kung mag-focus ka kay hater, madidepress ka buong araw. Yun ang masasense ko dito. But yet, you know, what you need to focus on here is yung mga blessings na parating as well as acknowledge the Lord. Kung yung mga incident na may accident pero naprotektahan ka, kasi we have the safe being here. It's an easier way. And learn to be introvert. Okay? So, maybe itong reading na to parang pinakita sa'yo na you have a lot of haters. Kahit sa inyong bahay, ang hirap. And I'm really sad about it. Okay, so I felt drawn to cleanse, so just go ahead and cleanse. Okay. So I feel na iniingatan ka ng Panginoon from this type of people na backstabber. Kaya parang pinipilit ka ng Panginoon na maging mag-isa muna. But yet, huwag ka mag-alala kasi sa future naman, magpapadala ang Diyos ang taong tutulong sa'yo at taong magmamahal sa'yo. I'm sensing the song, if there is one more gift, I ask of you, Lord, it will be peace here on earth. So maybe yun yung iyong wish sa Panginoon. But I'm sensing yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo is huwag kang mag-alala. Focus ka lang sa iyong work, sa iyong career. Kasi syempre, yung money na yan yung tutulong din sa'yo para maka-withdraw ka away from this people na toxic sa'yo. So, huwag mong baliwalain yung gift sa'yo ng Panginoon. I feel like money. Okay? Parang gusto ng Diyos palaguin mo yung pera or i-save mo yung pera kasi sa oras na umalis ka na siguro sa yung pamilya kasi nga di maganda yung energy. Kaya mong tumayo sa sarili mong paa. Another dimension. At huwag ka daw masyado mag-focus sa iyong pamilya or kamag-anak. At huwag kang basta-basta rin magtitiwala. So, we have this one. So, yun nga may mga tao na nagbe-betray behind the scenes. Sa tayo ng Panginoon na masyado ka mag-focus sa bagay na yun. Kasi, I feel na yun nga, wag kang basta magtitiwala, guys. Kasi, first of all, I'm sensing here na may taong sinungaling sa inyong buhay. At, mangyari yan, kung naniwala ka, baka mangyari dito is yung judgment mo ay maging reverse. Okay? Na bago yung iyong pananaw and so on. So far, I'm sensing here na yun nga, may biyaya ang Diyos sa inyo. At I'm sensing that you really love the money thing. May tendency rin kasi guys mag-over, you know, spend kayo. Baka mawala yung money. So, ingat lang sa spending. And I feel that despite of the mga nangyari sa inyo, yung sa birthday gift ng Diyos sa inyo is mananatili kang passionate about life. Honestly. At, you know, tutulungan ka ng Panginoon din na wag mong masyadong isipin yung haters mo kasi masyado ka na down doon. At nalungkot ako dito guys kasi I feel like you don't deserve this kind of treatment. I feel like you're being surrounded by snakes as well kasi this is in reverse. Kasi this is a friendship card kung naka-upright siya but naka-reverse siya. So maybe, yun nga, marami kang haters. But God is wanting you to know that you are a loving person, a caring person, and you don't deserve such a treatment like this. Kaya gawin mo, lumayo ka sa mga taong ganyan at huwag mong pagpilitan yung sarili mo sa kanila. Kasi first of all, iba ka, okay? Iba ka sa kanila. At saka kung may work ka man ngayon, yan ang destined sa'yo. Kaya gusto talaga ng Panginoon, mag-focus ka sa work mo. And sad to say guys, I don't know if it's okay with you. Dire-diretso lang si work. Kasi sa hermit natin naka-reverse. Ibig sabihin nun, yung mga panahon na to, busy ka talaga sa work. Parang pipilitin ka ng Panginoon na mag-ipon ng pera kasi kailangan mo yan sa future. Kailangan mo yan para malayo ka sa mga maling tao sa inyong buhay. I feel na, I'm sense na gusto niya rin sabihin sa'yo na huwag kang waldas. Okay? So, anyway, dahil pinapagawa ng Diyos sa inyo, so, I know that this is kind of like a depressing reading. Honestly, hugs to everyone. I just hope na malayo ka sa inyong haters, okay? And take some time to heal. Pray to God for healing na rin. Kasi nakaka-overwhelm yung mga napagdaanan mo. At saka yung current situation mo na marami ka talagang haters sa paligid. And pray always for protection, guys. Okay? And iwas kayo mag-posting. Kasi feeling ko maraming hater. Sa ngayon kasi hindi ko nasa-sense na siguro yung basta niya may jowa na but yet parang one against many. Okay? One against many nangyayari dito lalo na kung single ka. So, anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. I hope this may give you some insight. Hugs to every one of you. Sana malayo ka na sa mga maling tao, guys. And I hope that you may be able to save money. To be independent is what I sense. Okay? So that's it. And God bless all of you. So, pumili ng Temperance card. Ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung anong regalo sa inyo ng Panginoon sa inyong kaarawan. So, I'm sensing na mabait ka talaga at minamaltrato ka. I feel na yung iba sa inyo siguro may connection sa number 1 which is rival. I feel like they will go towards calmer waters. One of these days is what I sense. At maging maayos yung iyong buhay at babalanse ka muli is what I sense. I feel like, kinda like more on happy vibe here. Kasi number 1 is kinda like depressed energy. So maybe this is kinda like the future of number 1. Okay, and anyway, clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. Okay, they asked me to cleanse first. I'll just go ahead and cleanse. I feel like you are an understanding person at I feel na mainam talaga na I feel na maging mayaman ka for a reason na kailangan mo rin tumulong sa inyong kapwa kasi I feel like you are having that understanding vibe or energy at maintindihan mo yung mga taong nangangailangan. So, if ever you're noticing na yung mayaman ka, maswerte ka sa pera, kasi you're destined to have it. Kasi isa sa mission mo sa mundong ito, I feel na for heaven is for you to help others that are in need. At least aware ka na na isa yan sa mission mo dito sa mundong ito. And remember, gampanan mo yung mission mo sa mundo. Well, you still have time, okay? So anyway, here is your card. Pero nalungkot din ako sa vibe. May pagkalungkot yung energy din. Okay? So, anyway, I feel like may mga tao na ganito sa iyong buhay, na mga sip-sip, and so on. And I feel na you don't have to worry about those kind of things. Kasi with the love being here, I feel na kung sino man yung tao na siguro boss mo to or pwede rin sa pamilya, na may mga sip-sip sa pamilya or may mga sip-sip sa boss mo, I feel na ikaw yung mahal ng boss mo or ng, you know, yung magulang mo can be. Yun yung nangyayari. Kasi I feel na parang din silang na-annoyed sa mga taong sip-sip, papansin, and so on. So, para masipiliin na lang nila na mahalin na lang yung hindi sip-sip. Okay. So, anyway, with the free and goals, so I feel here na meron kang time to achieve your goals and your dreams. Kasi siguro meron ka talagang hinahangad na gawin. And God will let you go after it, which is nice. I'm sensing happiness sa aking mata. And I'm kind of like feel na gusto mo sana ng bakasyon, ng pahinga, or gawin mo naman yung gusto mong gawin kasi maybe you're too focused on your work na, overwork ka na, gusto mo na ng pahinga. So, God will grant it to you. Honestly. So, yun nga napayo ko sa'yo kanina na, you know, you have to do your mission work kasi I feel like you've been through a lot. Honestly speaking, you're very understanding. I'm sensing na meron lalapit sa yung tao na nangangailangan ng tulong, but yet be careful kasi hindi lahat ng tao ay in need. Yung iba siguro sa kanila yung balak lang nilang gawin, magpanggap na mahirap, okay? Hingi sa'yo ng pera, yung pala para lang i-drain yung money mo. So, make sure that you're actually analyzing kung sino yung totoong nangangailangan versus someone na nagpapanggap lang na kailangan ng pera, pero, you know, i-drain lang yung pera mo. So, with the surrender being here, so I feel na meron kang taong ganito sa inyong buhay at isa sa regalo ng Panginoon sa'yo ay ilalayo ka niya sa taong nagde-drain ng inyong wallet is what I sense. Lesson that we have is this one. Oh, this is actually nice. Isa sa regalo ng Panginoon sa'yo ay magkakaroon ka, I feel, na sariling company for some of you. Or maybe a group of people that will definitely love you as you can see here. Alright? So far may mga ideas ka, siguro overwhelmed ka, maybe you do have ideas with regards sa business and so on. I feel na may tutulong sa'yo with regards to it. Okay? So, mag-ingat ka lang sa mga tao na bully. Okay? At I feel na, yung mga taong bully na yan, may mangyayaring ganito. Or hindi mo sila mapapakinggan or kung may papayo man sila, parang lalabas yan sa kabilang tenga. Okay? So, mangyayari yan is hindi ka mahadlakan ng mga taong ito kasi you will not listen to the wrong people. So, we have the guide. So, as I told you before na may parang mag-guide ba sa'yo na iba na lang gawin mo and so on. So, wag mong pakinggan yung mga taong yan. Yung tunay na guidance is from the Lord. Kasi based naman sa inyong reading, pinapayagan kayo ng Diyos kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Okay? So, yun yung dapat mong malaman dito. Okay? So far, nasa tama ka namang landas with regards sa work. At ganun din siguro sa pinili mong kaibigan. Yung din na maganda dito is, I feel na aware ka naman. Aware ka naman na yung mga tao na yan ay bully. So, ba't mo sila susundin? Parang ganun ba? So, anyway, we have this card. So, I feel like everything will be okay. If ever you are somebody who's in trouble, honestly, may tutulong sa inyo. Magpapadala yung Diyos ang tao that will be there for you at may bibigay itong tao na ito. I feel na for some of you nangyari na to. Kung hindi pa, parating pa lang guys. Okay? Sa birthday gift sa inyo yan na may tutulong. Yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon siguro kayo ng work, pwede rin money. Okay? And I'm sensing with adventure and authentic. Okay? I really see na parang alam mo kung saan ka patungo talaga. Kasi kung ano man ang gusto mong gawin, nasa tamang landas. Yung hindrance lang dito talaga yung mga tao na parang pipigilan yung iyong progreso. So, you have this one. So, another gift of God for you is protection. Siguro ito hinihiling mo sa Panginoon na sana maprotektahan ka sa mga maling tao. Kasi, you know, to be honest, sa pansin ko sa inyong reading, may mga tao na ganito. Okay, mga sip-sip at kung ano man. Tapos, nagbibigay sa'yo ng mali-maling payo. So far, you will be protected and remind yourself to be close kay God na rin. I feel na God will acknowledge na, you know, hindi mo siya binabaliwala. You are actually, I feel like gaining momentum because of your faith. So, yan nga, may taong nagtatry pigilan. Maybe yung inyong connection with the one for you and with the hope being here. So, I'm sensing like, wag ka mawalan ng pag-asa. Kahit na may hadlang yan, you know, remember na if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. Okay? So, anyway, we have the Temperance card. So, yung Temperance kasi about din yan sa peace at balance. Okay? So far, ito yung regalo sa'yo na magkakaroon ka ng balance sa inyong buhay. Huwag ka lang papadala sa mga taong napaka-negative sa inyong buhay. Okay? And I kinda like feel na you will be in calmer waters soon. Ma-achieve mo yung I feel na yung trabaho matagal mo nang inaasam. I don't know what that is, pero I feel like your wishes are being granted by heaven. At hindi lang yan, magkakaroon ka rin ng bakasyon. Kasi maybe you are overworked. Nagagalaw si camera natin. Pasensya na. Anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So we have this one. Okay. So far, maging okay si life. Maging masaya ka. So, you have the friend zone here. So, I feel na yung mga friend zone na yan, I feel like it's more on those negative people around. Okay? That you don't trust. Parang maaalis ka sa mga taong yun. So, we have the balance in reverse. Okay? That contradicts the Temperance card. We have this High Priestess being here. So, I feel this is a regalo sa inyo ng Panginoon ay maging aware ka kung bakit imbalance sa inyong buhay. And you will definitely be aware about people na friend zoning or backstabber and so on. Kasi, yun nga, yung mga maling tao na yan, bibigyan ka nila ng kung ano-anong guidance na hindi naman nakakabuti sa inyo. So, kaya bibigyan ka ng wisdom ni God kung ano yung papakinggan mo sa hindi. Okay? So, we have this one in reverse. We have the Ginger here. We also have the Keep in reverse. So, anyway, I feel na mahuli mo sa bibig yung mga maling tao. Kasi, I feel like with this one, bibigyan na nila yung iyong progreso or ayaw ka nila maging successful. At dahil doon, kaya malalaman mo na hindi mo dapat sila i-keep sa inyong buhay. Dapat umalis ka sa mga taong masama yung ugali. We have the 22, but it's in reverse. It's manifestation. Tingnan natin kung ba't yan naka-reverse. We have the red flag here. We also have this one. This is actually sad, guys. Okay? Kasi may tao sa inyong buhay na inobserbahan ka niya. This person could be spying on you. Mag-ingat ka. Nagpapakita siya ng red flag sa inyo so that you'll be aware who this is. At isa rin siya sa mga tao na humahadlang ng inyong manifestations. We have the home. So, yung clue natin dito, kasama nyo siguro sa bahay. Or, pwede rin ka mag-anak. Guys, kasi kung sa bahay, pwede rin sabihin natin na baka parte ng inyong apartment, pwede na rin. Di ba? Basta kasama mo sa isang bubong yung nag-i-spy sa inyo. Or, yeah, pwede ka mag-anak, pwede rin neighbor. Basta malapit as in. Hindi yung close na friends kayo, Yung sinasabi ko is malapit siya sa inyo. Ingat kayo guys. So you have just do it in reverse. And we have gateway in either way. So anyway, yung just do it, I feel like it's more unlikely yung payo sa inyo ng maling tao. Kasi si just do it natin naka-reverse. Okay, yung do it natin. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga ganyan magpayo. Pagkakaiba na yung mga payo guys, oras yun ang iwanan yung taong yun. Kasi, you know, nahadlangan niya yung kung saan ka dapat patungo. Kasi feeling ko sa inyong reading, tama naman yung patutunguhan mo. Kaya nga inaayahan ka ng Panginoon to go after it because that is something that you want to do. Okay? Hindi naman sinabi dito na mali yung ginagawa mo. Kasi I feel na yung mali dito is whatever those negative people are telling you. So anyway, let's see what else do we have here. Actually, na-sense ko masakit sa ulo yung vibe, okay? I'm also sensing na meron naninira sa'yo. So, mag-ingat ka talaga kung sino yung pagbibigyan mo ng iyong sikreto. Mainam na rin na pag sikreto, tago mo na lang sa sarili mo kasi may mga tao talaga na backstabbers or pwede rin na may ginagawang kalokohan. So, we have this one. So, this is actually nice. This is your currently, parang vibe ba? Okay? Now, you're going towards the future and you're happy kasi alam mo kung saan ka patungo. Alam mo yung mangyayari sa hinaharap. Kasi sa ngayon, you are someone that is definitely stable. Okay? So, as I told you before, may mga tao na itatry hadlangan. Kung ano yung binabalak mong gawin, kasi masaya kang gawin yun, and so on. So, wow, this is nice. So, gift ng Panginoon talaga sa inyo is happiness. Isa rin sa gift ni God sa inyo is malalaman mo rin kung saan ka patungo dapat. Okay? Which is nice. So, happiness is one of God's gift for you. At saka, I'm sensing na yun nga, may mga haters ka, guys. But despite of these haters, you know, you will go after what you want to go after. Kasi I feel na it's part of your dreams and desires. I feel na hayaan ka ng Panginoon na ma-achieve mo to kasi ito yung bagay na gusto mong marating. Which is nice. And it's not something that is evil. Kaya God will let you do it. We have this one as well. So, I feel na despite of all that's happening to you sa mga negative na tao na yan, I would say na parang nasanay ka na to the point na parang hindi mo na masyadong pinapansin si haters. So, feeling ko talaga, you know, parang ito yung future ni number 1. Kasi si 1 is more on negativity. Plus, mga ganitong hate yung nangyayari. You know, I feel na you will get used to it to the point na you don't mind them. Or hindi mo sila papansinin, magpo-focus ka na lang sa ginagawa mo. And what I like about here is that you're someone that's definitely courageous. Kahit nasabihin natin na maraming nangyayari sa inyong buhay, you are actually hopeful. Hindi ka na mawala ng pag-asa. Isa yung sa regalo sa ng Panginoon na magkakaroon ka ng hope. Despite of all these things. And wow, this is nice. Happy ending, guys. Kasi this is definitely about money, abundance, wealth. You will definitely wealthy in the end. Kaya maraming nagpipigil na hindi mo itong ma-achieve. But I feel na it's really destined for you. Kasi first of all, na-sense ko, nung beginning pa lang ng reading, this is someone that's understanding. Okay? Maybe you've gone through a lot in your life to the point that you're someone that's understanding. At, you know, mapagbigay ka rin. At iniisip ng Panginoon na kung yumaman ka, marami kang matutulungan. Kasi, you know, you don't just judge. You're someone na I feel na humble. Despite of you having money, at saka kung magkapera ka man, para mas gusto mo na lang tumulong. Siguro kung magbigay ka man sa sarili mo, konti lang, or patingin-tingin lang. But when you help, it's extravagant. Okay? So, remember kung magkaroon kayo ng money, remember na maglaan kayo ng money for charity, for God as well. Siyempre, may balik tayo kay God sa mga blessings na natanggap natin. Remember, 10%. So, sana maglaan din kayo ng porsyento for charity work. Kasi isa yan sa mission mo. So, anyway, that's it guys. And God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng Lover's card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung ano yung regalo sa inyo ng Panginoon sa inyong birthday. To be honest with you, na-sense ko yung deep emotion. I feel na meron siyang kinalaman sa inyong past lover. But yet, I don't feel that this is the one for you. Kung sino man yun. Kasi na-sense ko agad yung betrayal at kasinungalingan. So don't worry, I feel that it's kinda like a positive one. Kaya nasabihin natin may kinalaman sa past. So anyway, clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. I have a feeling like it's kinda like the old reading that I have before na nakakarma si X. Okay? Maybe it's a similar one. I-clarify natin. So, they want me to cleanse. So, just go ahead and cleanse. I feel na kung ano man ang ginagawa sa inyo ng mga tao, I feel like it's more likely illusion. Magbabackfire yan sa kanila. At I feel na focus ka lang dapat sa work sa ngayon or kung ano man yung pinakakabalahan mo. I feel na parang hindi mo mapansin yung mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari. I don't know why, but some of you 1 and 2 might resonate too. Kasi I feel also yung paano vibe na may mga haters. Okay? So anyway, let's see what we have here. So anyway, yung regalo sa inyo ng Panginoon, siguro you are definitely someone that's praying for someone na, you know, talagang meant para sa inyo. So for yung regalo sa inyo ng Panginoon, that you will have your prayers granted in terms of relationship, friendship. Okay? Kasi matagal ka nang naghahanap ng tao na talagang swak sa'yo. Whether it's friendship or love life. Okay? So anyway, we have this one. So ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na parang may kinalaman kay ex. Okay? So for yung ex mo, ganun pa rin siya, cheater. And so on. So kung lumapit man si ex sa inyo, pag mong tatanggapin, and I'm sensing masakit sa throat yung energy. So maybe kung sino yung tao na yan, parang pinablock ni God yung kanya throat. Kasi parang ayaw na ni God na mag-usap kayong dalawa. Yung nafe-feel ko dito. Kasi I feel na kung sino man yung past person mo na hindi mabuti sa'yo, hindi kayong meant to be. Okay? So don't bother to deal with this person kasi I feel na magkakaroon ka naman ng tao na magmamahal sa'yo. Kasi isa yan sa regalo sa inyo ng Panginoon na magkakaroon ka ng tao na magmamahal sa inyo. Okay? So, we have this one too. Parang may lang ako nahilo sa vibe neto. And, I'm sad about this one kasi may nakita tayong curse dito. Alright? So, I'm not sure if you're aware, but somebody is cursing you. And whomever that is, this is a person of your past. As you can see. Itong siguro ng tao na to, you know, you used to deal with this person and be the rejoice. Ano ko dito? Kasi, kung sino man itong nagka-curse sa inyo, malapit siya sa inyo, at itong tao na to, this person used to help you. Maybe this is someone na, you know, dati siyang mabuti, bigla siyang sumama. Bigla na lang siya nagka-curse. Bigla na siyang may ginagawang kalokohan. So, mag-ingat ka. If ever you're not aware who this is, then pray over it to the Lord. Kasi, so far, no wonder why, yung regalo niya sa inyo is bibigyan ka niya siguro ng bagong kaibigan. Kasi, first of all, siguro ito yung iyong good karma. Kasi, meron tao na hindi mabuti sa inyong buhay na nandito. So, anyway, we have this one too. Medyo malungkot ang vibe, guys, okay, ng cards na to. Kasi, I feel na ito yung nangyayari sa inyong buhay na you are actually, I feel like getting betrayed. I don't know why, but I sense it. Okay? Kasi nakita ko dito, you will be busy. Kasi siguro yung nangyayari is may negativity nangyayari behind the scenes na hindi mo alam. At kung sino man yung tao na yun, I feel na may kumakalat na chismis. As you can see here. So, anyway, so mangyayari dito is yung regalo ng Panginoon. As I told you, you will have a person. Parang malungkot ako bigla, guys. Okay? Meron kang tao na, you know, you will be close with. As you can see. Not necessarily love life. I feel like it's more on, if ever lover, sige, love life. Pero meron din sa iba sa inyo siguro friendship. Magkakaroon ka niyan. And yeah, you will be happy with that person. So you will definitely have a person who will care for you and you will be calm despite of all the wrong things that's happening behind you. Okay? And which is nice kasi, remember, focus ka lang sa work. So, may potential na, you know, lumago man kung ano yung pinagtatrabahuhan mo. As you can see. Or pwede man magkaroon ka ng maraming blessings. Pwede rin sa negosyo, lumago. Okay? Anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So, we have the loneliness here and even learn alone. So, I think na nalulungkot ka rin kasi magkakaroon ka ng realization na isa sa mga tao na you used to love and care for, bigla siyang sumama. Kasi nakita mo yun sa iyong reading. Dahil dito madedepress ka and you will learn from this na hindi ka na magsasabi ng inyong sikreto. And I feel na isa sa regalo ng Diyos is bibigyan ka niya ng alone time to cry. Kasi syempre mabigat kapag yung taong minahal mo, yung taong friend mo dati, naging hater mo na, masakit din yan. Kailangan mong iiyak yung ganyang experience. So, yun the beautiful and fright. So, nalungkot ako bigla rin dito kasi I feel na dahil sa mga mangyayari na makikita mo, guys, takot ka na mag-trust. Honestly, I feel like you do have a beautiful soul. You know, I feel na talagang meron sigurong tao na nagdidim ng inyong light. So, ito yung dapat mong tatandaan na, you know, you have a beautiful soul. Kung sabihin nila na kahit at ganyan ka, wag kang maniniwala. Know yourself. Kasi kung alam mo yung sarili mo, hindi ka basta-basta madadala ng mga chismis. Okay? Or ng mga nambubuli sa inyo. Right? So, yun nga. Huwag kang mag-dim ng light. Parang you be your own best friend kung ganito yung mga nangyayari. Alright? So, you have the lovers here. So, remember sa inyong reading, yung regalo ng Panginoon ay bibigyan ka niya ng tao na mamahalin ka. Okay? Kasi bigla ka nagkaroon ng kaaway. At dahil doon, may kapalit na bagong, let's say, love life or pwede rin bagong friend that will care for you. So, anyway, ingat lang kayo, guys. Okay? Kaya nasabihin natin may bago kang friend. Huwag basta-basta magsabi na sikreto. Okay? Learn from your mistakes. So, let's see what else do we have here. So, we have this one. So, kung may ginawa man masama sa inyo, may balik yan dun sa gumawa sa'yo ng mali. So, we have this one here. We also got, okay, I'm feeling na take for granted, honestly. Tapos, meron din poison. So, mag-ingat ka sa mga naglalaso ng inyong isipan. So, I feel like it's more on the gossips that has been happening. Kasi remember, na kung sino man yung nag-betray na yan, meron siyang nalalaman about you. Okay? At saka, baka gamitin ng taong yun na maglaso ng isipan ng ibang tao. Kaya ka natatakot. No wonder why you have this anxiety issue. Kasi naisip mo na, baka iba na isipin sa'yo ng mga tao, ganyan. But yet remind yourself that you are someone that has a beautiful soul. So, we have the Temperance. So, yun nga, hindi ka nasa calmer waters kasi masyado ka nag-alala. So, we have the Here in reverse. So, as I told you before, hindi mo maririnig, guys, kung ano yung sinasabi behind the scenes about you. Kasi, huwag kang magalit sa Panginoon. Yung dahilan ng Diyos dito, ayaw ka niya masyadong masaktan. Kasi masakit. Okay? Masakit pag nalaman mo. So, we have the Work in reverse. So, as I told you before, God will give you some time to heal. Kasi, ma-overwhelm ka sa mga nangyari. Okay? So, you have the Gift in either way. So, anyway, yung gift na yan, feeling ko may iba ka pa dapat na pile. But si gift natin is in either way. Ibig sabihin lang nun na hindi mo na ibibigay sa'yo ng Diyos lahat ng regalo niya sa inyo. Because of the reason that you're still dealing with people that are not good for you. And I feel na God is waiting for you to overcome the loneliness. Kasi, yun nga, mahirap na kasi pag malungkot. Diba? May tendency kasing bilhin ng kung ano-ano para maalis sa yung depression. So, kung sakali man naranasan mo yung blockage with regards sa abundance, maintindihan mo rin sana yung Panginoon. Iniiwas lang niya na masayang mo yung blessing sa maling bagay. Sa ngayon, siguro tinatawag ka ng Diyos na if ever you are going to heal, then, do it in some other way. And remember, pray kay God na rin to help you heal with regards to what happened to you. So anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I feel na dapat mong isipin na rin na huwag ka masyadong mag-alala. Hayaan mo lang yung mga tao na nananakit kasi I feel na balang araw parang feeling ko babaliktad ang sitwasyon. Hindi sila lagi nasa trono at may gawin na masama sa atin. So, nakuha ko yung Fright card. So, yun siguro yung bagay na kinatatakutan mo. So, naging reverse na si Fright card natin. So, ibig sabihin na hindi ka matatakot. Parang bibigyan ka ni God ng positive feeling na hindi ka matatakot kung ano man yung sekreto lumabas. Kasi I feel na, dapat i-focus sa mga tao is you are a good person. Hindi ko yung someone na masama. Okay, so siguro yung mga taong kakilala ka talaga, isipin nila na hindi ikaw yung sinasabi ng taong ito na kung ano ka. I feel na wala siyang karapatan na sabihin sa iba kung ano ka. Kasi first of all, I feel like, hindi ka naman ganun na tao kung naman yung sinasabi niya. So, we have this one here. So, yun nga, kaya si blessing natin ay naka-black. Kasi nga may potential ka na lustayin mo yung pera dahil sa iyong kalungkutan. Okay, but in the future, you will definitely have an opportunity once that you're ready for it. I feel na this is something na magpapaligaya sa inyo, guys, and I feel like you will be abundant, but yet it's in the future, guys. Isa yun sa regalo sa inyo ng Diyos. I feel na nabitin, meaning dapat isasend na niya sa inyo, pero hindi niya ma-send kasi iniisip niya na baka dahil sa kalungkutan mo, sayangin mo yung biyaya. So, anyway, I'm really sensing here that you will be content with regards to emotions. Parang, I really feel like you will learn to love yourself kasi I feel na you will be your own best friend kasi nako-overwhelm behind the scenes, okay? Parang siya napupunta sa pile number 1, yung energy natin. So, masyadong depression 1, guys. Okay, so we have the Knight of Wands. So, one of God's gift for you is that you will be happy again. If ever now you are depressed, you will be happy in the future. As you can see. And, as I told you before, yung regalo talaga ng Panginoon for you is magpapadala siya ng tao na magpapaligaya sa inyo. And this is someone na loving kasi cups ito. Alright. So, anyway, I'm sensing here na, yun nga, syempre may lungkot din. I feel na kung sino naman yung magbebetray sa inyo, ito yung clue ng Panginoon kung sino yun. Some of you, this person could be someone that you used to work with, someone that you have a bond with, or maybe some of you, this could be your ex, as you can see. At nabanggit ko sa inyo, dahil sa nangyaring ito, na may betrayal na nangyari, kaya magpapadala ang Panginoon ng bagong tao sa inyong buhay. At I feel like that person will help you heal kasi during this period of, depression, kailangan mo rin syempre ng tao na, yayakap sa'yo, mamahalin ka. Kasi yung pinagdaanan mo, hindi biro yan. Mahihirap talaga kapag nakaranas ka ng betrayal sa inyong buhay. Hugs to every one of you. So, basically, yung regalo dito, masyado tayong focus sa darating na tao sa inyong buhay that will care about you. At I feel na, gusto malaman ko din chismis, but yet I feel like you're being blocked to know kasi nga masasaktan ka. Okay, so anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation. Hugs to every one of you, and God bless all of you. Sa pumili na the Sun card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung anong regalo sa inyo ng Panginoon. I don't know why, but I sense backstabber friend around. Alright, so some of you could be starting a new hobby. At I feel na mag-e-enjoy ka sa hobby na yun. But yet, I feel that despite of you having a hobby, pipilitin ka ng Panginoon na mag-focus sa work. Pansin ko lang sa lahat ng files about just sa focusing ng work, okay? But iba-iba naman ng storya so far. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. Okay, I feel like you feel a bit regretful about something. Okay, kailangan maging introvert, guys. Okay, huwag niyo sasabihin kung ano man yung bagay na magpapasaya sa inyo. Kasi I feel na meron tao talaga na nagbe-betray. I feel na it's more likely sa inyong pamamahay. So, mag-ingat kayo, guys. Okay? Another, parang may gustong pumigil ng iyong kaligayahan. At I feel na malulungkot ka dahil doon. na parang minamaltrato ka ng mga tao. Okay, I'm sensing lalabas ang sungay or lalabas yung baho. I think God will let it happen kasi siguro you're not aware that this person is evil. Some of you can be, hindi, aware ka na siguro. Marahil yung pamilya mo hindi aware na itong tao na to ay masama. Okay? So, feeling ko yung dapat mong gawin dito, hayaan mo lang siya ma-expose. Okay? Kasi kailangan niya mangyari, yung dapat yung isipin, ito yung dapat na mangyari. Na umalis yung mga taong yan sa masasama. Kasi kung sino man yung taong yun, hindi siya nakakabuti sa isipan kasi nagpe-brainwash ito ng tao. Okay, so as I told you, meron ng taong parang control freak sa inyong buhay. At isa siya sa dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng negatibong bagay sa inyong buhay or siguro mga, I feel na kasinungalingan, honestly, nangyayari dito. So maybe meron nagbe-brainwash para malasin ka sa inyong buhay. Or maybe may nakakalat ng chismis para siraan ka, para hindi maging maayos yung iyong pamumuhay. So, you're the chosen. So, kaya ito nangyayari kasi maybe some of you, you're definitely a person na pinili ng Panginoon to do something in this world. At alam mo naman, yung mga taong masasama, mahilig sila mag-dim ng light. Siguro pansin mo yan. Kahit saan, you know, ganyan yung nangyayari. Pansinin nyo yung mga taong masasama, mahilig talaga sila na ganyan yung gawin nila, manira ng tao. Okay? So, maybe just kinda like light against dark. Yung nangyayaring bagay. Kasi ini-stop nga niya na maging maayos yung iyong buhay. Kasi currently, maybe what's happening right now about you is that meron kang confidence at hindi lang yun, you know, maganda naman yung iyong buhay. Parang relax ka lang, wala kang problema. At itong taon na to sumisira ng inyong buhay, ayaw niya na magkaroon ka ng pamumuhay na ganyan, na confident ka. Gusto niyang wasakin yung iyong confidence or yung payapa mo na buhay. Gusto niyang maging malungkot ka lagi. Okay, which is sad. So far, maybe God will show you signs. So, si Fred naka-reverse siya kasi kanina, yan no, sa reading, lang pa siya rin na reverse. But i-upright natin. Pertinent pa rin natin kung dapat ba siyang reverse or upright. So far, I feel na yung regalo sa ng Panginoon is wag kang mag-alala. I feel na you will have dreams or blessings na rin na parating. And I feel like you will be divinely guided. You may go after your dreams, as you can see. So, kaya pa nakabaliktad din si Fright. Kasi maybe, yung regalo ng Panginoon is aalisin niya yung iyong fright. Kasi maybe you're someone that's definitely afraid to go after your goals and your dreams. Okay? But yet, I feel here na ito yung gusto mangyari ng Panginoon, that you will go after it kung ano may nasa isipan mo. Okay? And yeah, yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, oops, tumalon siya, na maging introvert ka. Okay? Huwag mo ipagkalat yan sa social media kung yung ginagawa mo kasi hindi lahat ng tao ay, you know, kasundo natin. Kaya pala ito tumalon ng parang pag ganun siya, i-reverse niya. Yan nga. Kasi binigyan ng dahilan ng Panginoon kung bakit dapat maging introvert ka. Huwag mo isipin lahat ng tao ay mahal ka kasi may mga tao din na hindi tayo gusto. At baka yung mga tao na yan, yung mga hindi mabubuti sa atin, baka may konong gawin sila na manira sa inyong, you know, sa inyong buhay. I feel na wag ka rin mawalan ng pag-asa, to be honest with you. So, with the live and learn, I feel like you will learn to be introvert definitely. Maybe kasi yung mahilig ka mag-post, maybe yung mga posting mo, you know, is something that will be used against you. So, mag-ingat ka talaga. Okay? So, next time, don't post. Don't post, okay? Kung mahilig ka man talaga mag-post, islagay mo na lang yan sa diary or pwede rin i-share mo na lang yan sa scrapbook mo. Kaysa naman sa i-post mo, tapos gamitin yan against you. which is not good, right? So we have the beautiful being here. So somebody could be trying to dim your light. Kasi nga, you know, maganda siguro yung iyong ugali. I feel like vibrant, honestly speaking. At ginagawa ng tao na to, tinatry niyang i-dim yung light mo para maging iba yung perspective ng mga tao sa inyo. So, you have the sun. So, to be honest, yung regalo sa inyo ng Panginoon is that you will be relaxed despite of all that's happening. Magiging masaya ka pa rin. Parang, feeling ko yung mangyari dito is, you know, hindi ka masyadong magfo-focus sa mga negatibo. Parang sa positivity ka lang magfo-focus. At I feel na pipilitin ka ni God mag-focus doon kasi iba sa inyo talaga ay doubtful when it comes to trying new things. Kasi nakita naman natin dito na parang ipupush ka ni God na ma-reach mo yung iyong dream. Kasi kung ano man ang dream mo na yan, it will actually give you abundance. So, wag ka sanang matakot to go after it. Kasi, yun nga, I feel na it's really something that you're passionate about. So, God is, I feel like letting you go after it. So, I feel na parang force ka niya mag-work or, yeah. This more about working. At wag ka masyadong mag-focus sa taong negative sa inyong buhay. So, anyway, we have this one. So, I feel na meron talagang message si God sa inyo. So, we have this key. So, isa sa regalo ng Panginoon is new opportunity, definitely. And with the feather being here, I feel like you are divinely guided. There could be a dream na ibibigay sa inyo ng Panginoon about dun nga sa gusto niyang gawin mo. I feel like it's more on kinda like a business kasi you will go after it with regards to this one. You have to go after it because I feel like yung iba sa inyo ay doubtful. So, you have the quit in reverse. So, I feel like some of you could be into that business already and you could be planning to quit. But yet, I feel if ever that's the situation about you, wag ka mag-quit. Kasi nakita mo naman, you know, that will actually bring you joy and happiness in your life. I feel like you have to try new things. So, we have this one. Mosquito, we also have this in either way. So, yun nga, may taong nagtatry na wag ka maging masaya. Ayaw nila maging masaya ka. Yung mga negatibong tao na yun, I'm also sensing when I sense them, masakit sa throat. Kasi I feel like this is someone na, you know, pang magsalita, hindi maganda yung lumalabas sa kanilang bibig. Kaya pinipigilan ng Diyos yung kanilang pagsasalita at ang hirap magsalita kapag nasa-sense ko yung kanilang energy. So you also have the red flag. In either way, we also have this, okay, tumatalon si do it, but it's in reverse. So, okay. Isa sa red flag ng tao na hindi mabuti sa inyong buhay is that mapapansin mo na pinipigilan niya yung kaligayahan mo or pinipigilan ka niya na gawin yung iyong trabaho if ever you do have a job. So, yun yung kulon ng Panginoon sa'yo if you're not aware who that person is na nagbabackstab sa inyo. So, let's see what else do we have here. So, yung regalo ng Diyos sa inyo is definitely new opportunity coming in. And of course, with the sun card being there, magiging masaya ka rin. Okay. I feel like you will have a relaxed moment or joyous moment in your life. Kasi yung sun card, ibig sabihin din nun is happiness. Okay. I'm also sensing vibrant colors. Okay. Another dimension to me. So, magkakaroon ka rin ng depression or depressing moments. But yet, I've kind of like feel na sandalian lang yun. Parang na siyang maiyak mo lang yung sama ng loob mo. Yun lang. Kasi syempre, sino bang hindi magkakaroon ng emotions sa mga nangyayari na negative din? So, anyway, I really sense na you're really working hard for your money. Okay, kasi I feel like with the Ace of Swords in reverse, I'm sensing na gusto kang mag-push forward ni God tungkol dun sa naiisip mong idea. But yet, you could be worrying about your money. Kaya ito naka-reverse kasi ibig sabihin lang nun, sasabihin ni God, hindi totoo yung iniisip mo. Kasi siguro iniisip mo, ay hindi sapat yung pera ko, kaya hindi ko gagawin yung negosyo na yun and so on. But yet, God is wanting you to know na, yun nga, hindi totoo yung nasa isipan mo. Kasi sa totoo lang, meron kang sapat na pera at kung ano man ang pinuhunan mo, may balik yan sa inyo. I feel na nasa iyo yung swerte with regard sa business na nasa isip mo. Okay? Pero na-feel ko na kailangan mo talaga maging introvert about it. I'm sensing na kaya gusto ko nang bigyan ng ganito ng Panginoon kasi I feel like you are someone who is a giving person. Which is nice. And okay, talagang swak sa'yo yung negosyo na yun, guys. Kung ano man ang bibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon na idea. Kasi it's something that you really like to do. At saka, I feel na may tutulong naman sa inyo. So, you don't have to be afraid about it. Mag-ingat ka lang talaga sa mga tao na hindi mapagmahal, yung mga tao na pumipigil ng iyong manifestation. So, yung dapat mong gawin dito, guys, is magpakalayo ka sa mga negatibong tao na yan at mag-focus ka na lang sa pinapagawa sa iyo ng Diyos or kung ano man yung balak mong gawin. Kasi I'm kinda like feel something positive about dun sa regalo ng Panginoon, which is the idea. Okay? Idea yung bibigay sa ng Panginoon. Kung ano yung, negosyo siguro na suwak para sa iyo. Kung hindi man yan negosyo, maybe it's work. Okay? That you're looking for na talagang magugustuhan mo. Kasi syempre may mga work tayo na parang hindi natin trip. Okay? Siguro yung wish mo before na sana magkaroon ako ng negosyo or work talaga nagugustuhin ko. So, yun yung birthday gift sa'yo ng Diyos. At hindi lang yun, you will have some time to be happy. Okay? And to relax as well. Alright? So far, meron din blockage sa throat. Ibig sabihin din nun, guys, ayaw ng Panginoon na ipagkalat mo ito. Kasi remember na kapag pinagkalat mo yan, may mga tao talagang salbahe na pipigilan nila kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin. Right? Mas mainam talaga na kumilos ka nang hindi nagsasalita. Kasi remember, the more that you talk, the more troubles you have. Less you talk, less troubles. Right? So anyway, that's it. And God bless all of you.